Hey, what's up? Mahesh here. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you're probably checking out Awin, the affiliate network. Maybe you're wondering if it's legit, if you can make money from it, or if they have good products. So stick around because I'll reveal whether Awin is a solid way to make money online or not. And guys, just imagine if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by building systems like this. Why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And if you want my favorite method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home just by using your internet connection and computer, click the first link in the description, get registered, and I'll share my exact strategy right away with you. You know guys, I came from zero. Now I'm a proud owner of a company called Collabic LLC. And you know, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. As you can see on the screen, Digistore24 is one of the best affiliate platform in the marketplace. And I've listed my own product over there called the Staso Method, and I'm selling it for $20 now. But in future, I'll be surely selling it for $97 and you would be seeing it for sure. So please stick to this video till the end and grab this $97 bonus absolutely for free. You know, I've reviewed countless ways to make money online, as you can see on the screen. And also I've created a playlist for my own strategies which works for affiliate marketing, and one other playlist is on product reviews, and third playlist is completely based on the free bonus which I'm giving to you. Now let's talk about Awin. You know, Awin is a major player in the affiliate marketplace. They've been around for a long time and even own ShareASale, another reputable affiliate marketing network. Now, affiliate marketing is essentially partnering with different retailers to promote and sell their products, right? You earn a commission for each successful sale you made. Awin, being a massive affiliate network, collaborates with 25,000 retail brands worldwide. Now, let's dive deeper into whether this could be your ticket to generating income online. Awin's strength lies in its extensive network, working with brands in diverse sectors, from retail and shopping to fashion, beauty, technology, travel, finance and insurance and more. They cover a wide range of industries. If you are a marketer or someone with a following in these categories, Awin might be a great fit for you. Now, let's explore how you can become an affiliate marketer with Awin. You know, becoming an affiliate marketer with Awin is straightforward. You start by clicking on publishers because essentially you become a publisher. You promote links and recommendations to an engaged audience, earning commissions through partnerships. Or whether you are a content creator, influencer, have a blog, or operate in specific niches, Awin offers various ways to partner with them. But what if you are an absolute beginner? So don't worry, I'll show you how to succeed even without an existing audience shortly. So how do you make money with Awin? So once you successfully promote products, Awin pays you 30 to 60 days after the sale, ensuring it's beyond the refund period. Payments are made on the 1st and 15th of every month, and you need a minimum of $20 in commission sales to receive payouts. Payment methods include bank transfers, wire transfers for international affiliates, and ACH for those in the United States. You know, Awin, being a network primarily working with retail style companies, often offers lower commission rates, typically around 3% to 10%. While they do have some products with higher commissions, finding them among the 25,000 brands can be a bit challenging. So if you are looking to maximize your commissions, especially if you are a beginner, it might be worth exploring other options. Nevertheless, Awin provides a vast database with numerous products and brands for you to consider. So at last, I would like to conclude saying Awin is a reputable affiliate network with an extensive range of brands, making it a decent choice for affiliate marketers. However, if you are a beginner and want a step-by-step guide to succeed, I've got a free masterclass for you. Just click the third link in the description, get registered, and watch the complete 2-hour presentation for a clear short idea on how affiliate marketing would be working. So don't delay, get registered and watch the masterclass. So as I promised, I would like to give away my product absolutely for free. So the product name is called the Staso Method, and this product would be helping out individuals to start a dietary supplement brand without any product or inventory. And this program also helps individuals to earn money right away once they join this program. So you can benefit from two different ways, either by starting your supplement brand or just following the program strategies. Okay guys, so don't delay, grab this. Why? Because I'm not going to put it for a long time, and I'm about to change the pricing for $97. So before that only, you can grab it for free. And I hope you found this review helpful. All the best, and see you in the another video. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. It would be motivating me to create new content. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day.